So in my previous video I taught you how photolysis of water takes place, and I hope it is clear to you all. And you all please make your notes. Again I am saying that please you all make your notes, that will help you for your revision work. Understood all of you? So in light reaction, first step is known as activation of energy. How activation of energy takes place, that I taught you. Then after photolysis of water, second step is known as photolysis of water, and how photolysis of water takes place in granum, that I told you in my previous video. Now after photolysis of water, third step is known as conversion of energy. So third step, conversion of energy. So in conversion of energy means conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Understood all of you? You all know that light is absorbed in the form of light energy. So by the process of photosynthesis, light energy convert into chemical energy. So how conversion of energy takes place? I told you, in process of photolysis of water, hydrogen is released. Understood all of you? So hydrogen is released, and in granum one molecule of protein, that is NADP, is present. And what is the full form NADP? NADP, note down in your copy, NADP is present in granum in free form, and that NADP are the energy giving molecules. So this energy giving molecule NADP, the full form of NADP is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate molecule. Understood all of you? So note down the full form of NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Children, I am explaining the mechanism of phosphate. I am explaining the mechanism of photosynthesis, so take it seriously. So in granum, NADP molecules are present. They are the energy molecules. And what is the full form NADP? The full form of NADP is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. These NADP are present in granum. So NADP here released of hydrogen ion by the photolysis of water. So NADP react with this hydrogen ion and form NADPH. Understood all of you? Now nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen ion combine with NADP and they form the NADPH. Okay, this NADPH help in the conversion of light energy into chemical energy. So again I am explaining how conversion of energy, light energy convert into chemical energy. Light energy convert into chemical energy by the reaction of hydrogen ion with NADP. They form NADPH, and this way light energy convert into chemical energy. So in light reaction, three processes takes place. Light reaction completes into three steps. Number one is activation of energy, second photolysis of water, and number three conversion of energy. So this way light reaction completes. And in photosynthesis reaction, I told you have to learn the reaction of photosynthesis. And what is the reaction of photosynthesis? 6 here I am writing, you all have to write in your copy. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O, they form C6H12, O6, they release 6O2 plus 6H2O. Some amount of water, they release some amount of water. So here it is balanced reaction of photosynthesis. 6 CO2 plus 12H2O in presence of sunlight, and in chlorophyll they form glucose, C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Understood all of you? This is the balanced reaction of photosynthesis. So here in light reaction means this step breaking of water and formation of O2 plus water takes place in light reaction. Understood all of you? And in dark reaction, conversion of carbon dioxide into glucose molecule, that process takes place in stroma and that is known as dark reaction. Understood all of you? So in photosynthesis, two steps are there. One is light reaction, second is dark reaction. So in light reaction, conversion of water and conversion of light into chemical energy and formation of oxygen and water vapor takes place in light reaction by the three steps. Number one is activation of energy, second photolysis of water, and third conversion of energy. After that, whole process takes place into stroma. And when light photosynthesis takes place in granum, that step is known as light reaction. And in stroma, when steps takes place, that is known as dark reaction. So till dark reaction, in my previous video, I taught you that photosynthesis completes into 24 hours. So light reaction takes maximum time. After that, second step of dark reaction starts. So till that no light is there. So that's why it is known as dark reaction. Understood all of you? So light reaction means reaction when takes place in presence of light. So here requirement of light is important because conversion of light energy into chemical energy is important. After conversion of light energy into chemical energy, formation of fixation of carbon dioxide takes place. So that step is known as dark reaction. So in my next video, I told you how dark reaction takes place or what is the mechanism of dark reaction.